Good boy. Drink more milk so you'll grow up big and strong.
This kid looks dumb anyway. He'll never amount to anything. Stop drinking! Just get out of here. I'm sick of looking at you both.
Don't cry, sweetie. Since Grandpa doesn't like you, Grandma'll take you somewhere else to play. Here, kiddo, have some pizza. I cleaned Mrs. Wang's place next door just to get this for you.
You're so good to me, Grandma. When I grow up, I'll give you a better life. 10 years later, I'd made it. Started my own company. What? Grandma's not feeling well. I gotta get home and take care of her. Grandma, I'm back. What's going on? It's below freezing and Grandpa's still playing chess. Let me get Grandma a down jacket first, so she won't be so cold.
You dummy, I'm frozen solid here.
Oh, I see. Let me get Grandma some hot pot first. Keep you fed and warm.
Right. So mean.
You really are just get me out of here first.
No problem. I'll get Grandma an automatic washer, so your hands won't freeze doing laundry.
Good boy. You didn't let Grandma's love go to waste.
But there's still so much gold left. What should I spend it on?
Hey, look here, hey.
Quick, Grandpa son, I'm here.
I'll fix your floor and replace that drafty door, so the cold wind won't reach Grandma anymore.
Don't worry, Grandpa son.
Oh wow, I think Grandpa's getting upset. Egg babies, if you disagree like me about letting Grandpa out, press and hold the OK button for 3 seconds. If you agree, hold it for 5 seconds. Let me hear what you egg babies think.
Happy New Year, cute egg babies. I'm Little Koi Ruby, new to Bilibili. I bring fun stuff for you daily. Thanks everyone. I hope you'll support my past videos too. Many egg babies like me, but don't know how to follow.
Today, Rube will teach you egg babies.
First, get your remote. Click the follow button bottom left. Now you're my loyal fan. Check it says following. You can also hold the OK button 3 seconds, so you can see me right away. Mobile viewers can follow even easier.
Just tap the bottom avatar.
When it's gray, you're all set. Thanks so much, everyone. Happy birthday to you all. Hope you're happy every day this year.
Hey kid, I'll give you one more chance. I'm getting pretty hungry.
Got it, Grandpa. Hot pot's coming.
Smells great.
I meant rescue me. You're not half as smart as your sister.
So Grandpa misses sister. I'll call her back now.
I'm back again.
Oh, right everyone. Search for GUE33 in the park. You can play the same map. Whatever, he's still my grandpa. I can't just leave him hanging, so I got a heater for the house.
This way we can get Grandpa Flower out quickly.
Next month I'll take you to see it.